Alright, here's that 4-cylinder I was telling you about. It's an old dump truck. It's got an old 453 Detroit in it. 4-banger. I'll start it for you in a minute. Just an old ass dump truck. I'll go all the way around because you've seen these dump trucks before. Let you hear this old truck start real quick. The old door handles. And I hate these steps. Another old ass work truck. There's the old shifter. That's your low range. That's your high range. That is how we dump the bed. That little red lever right there is for the PTO. And the way you kill this old truck is you see this button right here? Push it. And she dies, just like that. There you go. There's that old 4-cylinder I told you about.